Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grammarly grammar error. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now we will go like that. So we will use the shortcut. So Control Shift Delete, or on a CM or on Mac you will use CMD Shift Delete. Now make sure that you are on your web browser, so whatever you're using. So now let's press Ctrl Shift Delete and we will jump straight to the settings, and under the privacy and security we will see here delete browsing data. Now check the box next to the cached images and uh, files. And optional, if you don't want, you don't need to uncheck cookies and other site data if you want to stay logged into your website. Then click delete or clear the data. And yeah, this is basically pretty much. Now try to log in back to Grammarly and you will see if this fix is fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.